Hello, everyone. You are listening to a special episode of This Old Tooth, a podcast devoted to providing you with honest, agenda-free information about how you can get and keep a beautiful, healthy smile for life. I am your host, Dr. Lisa Germain. Today's special recording is to let you know that October is National Dental Hygiene Month. So I just wanted to take the opportunity to talk about the 4 essential things that you need to do to keep your mouth healthy. The first thing is to brush with a soft bristle toothbrush twice a day for 2 minutes. The size and shape of your brush should fit your mouth, allowing you to reach all areas easily. The proper brushing technique is to place your toothbrush at a 45-degree angle to your gums. Gently move the brush back and forth in short, tooth-wide strokes. Brush the outer surfaces, the inner surfaces, and the chewing surfaces of your teeth. Then, to clean the inside surfaces of your front teeth, fit the brush vertically and make several up and down strokes. And don't forget to brush your tongue to remove bacteria and to prevent bad breath as well. The second essential element to a healthy smile is to floss your teeth once a day. Flossing removes the plaque and bacteria that accumulates between your teeth, which you can't remove with brushing alone. Plaque can eventually harden into calculus or tartar, and if that happens, you can't get it off by yourself. It has to be removed by your dental hygienist or your dentist. Number 3, rinse. Because teeth alone account for less than half of the mouth, rinsing can help eliminate biofilm and bacteria that brushing and flossing cannot. Rinsing often, along with brushing and flossing, may help reduce the chance of dental decay and infection. However, please avoid rinses that have alcohol in them, because mouthwashes that contain alcohol can dry your mouth out, and that can increase your likelihood of getting tooth decay as well. And last, number 4. Clinical studies have shown that chewing sugarless gum with xylitol for 20 minutes following meals can help prevent tooth decay. The chewing of sugarless gum increases the flow of saliva, which washes away food and other debris, neutralizes acids produced by bacteria in the mouth, and provides disease-fighting substances throughout your mouth. And here's a tip on how to get your kids to brush and floss. Teach them young, when habits are most likely to form, and by setting a good example. Kids love to imitate their parents, and if they see you devoting the care and attention to your teeth that you need to keep a beautiful, healthy smile, they will do the same. That's it for now. Thank you for listening, and remember, be true to your teeth, or they will be false to you.